Good morning, Sharon. Yeah, overnight, a letter from the president of BIW sent out to employees as local officials and workers are strengthening their calls for the facility to shut down, and soon.
Bath Iron Works feeling the heat.
They need to close.
Now, after one confirmed positive case of coronavirus, employees telling News Center Maine they are outraged. The facility with nearly 6,000 workers remains open.
It's just ridiculous.
One who wished to remain anonymous out of fear of losing their job says they are taking time off unpaid.
I don't want to quit my job, but is it worth the risk of getting sick and infecting my family?
Another who spoke to us last week made the tough decision to stay.
If it wasn't because I was worried about not being able to pay my bills, then I would choose to stay home.
General Dynamics saying in a statement, Bath Iron Works recognizes this can be a difficult and uncertain time for our employees and their families. We are working to help our shipbuilders best manage the situation. But it's standing by a letter sent to the president of BIW by the Navy, saying its work is crucial to our national security. Both unions there say it's just not worth the risk.
This is probably the most defining example of how BIW puts production ahead of safety.
With now more than 100 cases statewide, the head of Maine CDC telling reporters in his latest news conference they are keeping a close eye on the issue.
With respect to Bath Iron Works in particular, what I can say is that there are broader discussions there involving many different stakeholders, given the various security implications.
In the meantime, those having to choose between their health or a paycheck fear it's only going to get worse.
They were pulling people out of the yard who had symptoms even before this. So there's probably more people there that have it.
Now, BIW insists that they are following the latest CDC guidelines to encourage social distancing as well as proper sanitization. Meanwhile, members of Maine's congressional delegation are still waiting to hear back from the Navy on whether or not it will extend deadlines on those ship contracts. Live at home this morning, Zach Blanchard, News Center, Maine.